Hello everyone, this is your Anuraadhashree and I'm your career communication coach. Today is Wednesday, the day for idiom and phrases. A good oral command of English is not only about speaking properly and correctly, it is also about using idioms the right way. In particular, idioms are absolutely essential in talking business when it comes down to understanding others and expressing yourself. If you're lacking a good understanding of English idioms, you will easily get lost in the business conversation. So today I'm going to give you few business idioms in this video. Practice and use it in your daily life. So let's go for the first one. Ahead of the pack. It means more successful than your competitors or rivals. Let me give you some examples. This new management system has kept the company far ahead of the pack in terms of product development. The second example, if we want to stay ahead of pack, we will have to increase our marketing budget. A little more simple I can give you. Artists who promote themselves and research opportunities online find themselves ahead of the pack. Corner the market. It means to dominate a particular market. Example, Amazon more or less corners the online retailing market. Second example, the company tried to corner the market on several types of computer software. Another one, they have more or less cornered the fast food market. They are in every big city in the country. Go the extra mile. It means to make an extra effort or to do more than expected. How do we use this in a sentence? When it comes to a weaker student, I go the extra mile to help them understand. Second one, she's a very nice person and is always willing to go the extra mile to help others. More simple example, he is not a very loyal person. I wouldn't go the extra mile to keep him in our team. So we can also use in a negative form. Well, hands are tied. It means to be helpless or left with no options. Let me give you a few examples. I feel like my hands are tied in the situation and I cannot help her out even though I want to. The next one. The lawyer's hands were tied when his client decided to plead guilty. In business, sometimes your hands are tied and you need to lower your price as per the competition. That is what I have been doing now. Hey, the last phrase today is in a nutshell. So, what do you mean by this? To be brief and straight to the point. We see people never come to the subject straight away. So, how do we use it in a sentence? In a nutshell, we will run out of cash in 3 months' time. Second example, in a nutshell, I only want everyone to be happy and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to achieve this. Third example, tell us how you intend to execute all your plans in a nutshell. Hey, I hope all these five idioms were easy to understand. In fact, your English gets better and better when you start using with your sentences. In order to help you to do better, I'm just giving you a few idioms every week so that you can use it on your daily life. Thank you. Bye bye.